Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to view shared PDF files in Gmail Spaces using your PC. With the recent updates, accessing shared documents has become much more straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. If you aren't logged in yet, enter your email address and password to access your inbox. Once you're in, you'll be ready to explore the chat features. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a grid of 9 dots next to your profile photo. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on those 9 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select Chat. This will take you to the chat interface, where all your conversations are located. Now, check the left side menu in the chat window. You'll see options for direct messages, group chats, and spaces. Click on Spaces to view the collaborative spaces you're a part of. This is where teams come together to share resources and ideas. Once you find the space where the PDF is shared, click on it to enter. This opens up the space, showing you discussions and activities related to your team or project. At the top of the space window, you'll see a tab labeled Shared. Go ahead and click on this Shared section. Here you'll find all the files that have been exchanged within that space, including PDFs. It's a convenient way to access all shared documents without scrolling through the entire conversation. When you find the PDF you're looking for, simply click on it. You can view it directly in your browser or download it for offline access. This makes it easy to retrieve important documents whenever you need them. To recap, to view shared PDFs in Gmail Spaces, open gmail.com, click the 9 dots next to your profile photo. Select Chat, navigate to Spaces, enter the desired space, and click on the Shared section at the top. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy collaborating.